5 Best Deadbolts. Here is the product number 5. Home Door Locking Security Single Cylinder Deadbolt Locks Silver Tone. Product name, Deadbolt Locks Material, brass, stainless steel. Total size, Approx, 64 by 75 mm / 2.5 inches by 2.9 inches, DL. The Deadbolt lock can increase your home security, include necessary mounting hardware. Single cylinder design. Here is the product number 4. MTGATHER RV Car Paddle Entry Door Lock Latch Handle Knob Deadbolt. Material, carbon steel plus zinc alloy. Color, black. Size, approximately 9 by 6.8 by 4 cm / 3.54 by 2.68 by 1.57. Strong, rust and weather resistant textured zinc alloy with black coating. Durable, ready to handle environments. Pull type manual door lock, apply to an electrical cabinet. Here is the product number 3. THGS Home Door Locking Security Single Cylinder Deadbolt. Product name, Deadbolt Locks Material, brass, stainless steel. Total size, Approx, 64 by 75 mm / 2.5 inches by 2.9 inches, DL. The Deadbolt lock can increase your home security, include necessary mounting hardware. Single cylinder design. Here is the product number 2. Waterproof Lever Handle Mechanical Combination Lockey Digital Numberal Deadbolt. Fits in both right and left opening doors. Preset with code, can be changed, see instruction manual. Code is required for all entries. No backup keys are provided, please remember your code so that you /T be locked out. Heavy duty, commercial grade quality for maximum security. 100% mechanical operation is both reliable and durable. Here is the product number 1. LACHCO Bluetooth Lock Smart Electronic Door Lock. Simplified easy installation. Easy to change batteries. User deleted individually. ANSI Grade 2, certified. Keypad shutdown, 10s if a code is wrongly input 3 times. Material, zinc alloy. Standard mortise, deadbolt. Dynamic power consumption, 150 to 300 milliamperes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.